Welcome to Get-sudo. So in this video we're going to install Signal Messenger app on our Linux machine as well as Windows. So let's get started. So you have to head to the official site of Signal Messenger, signal.org/en/download. The link would be in the description box. Coming to the site, all you have to do is click on download for Linux session. Clicking on that tab will give you some commands you need to shoot to install it. From this first command, we are going to install their official public signed key to our apt repositories. Through the wget command we download that link, and through apt key command we add those trusted keys to our apt repositories. Just copy paste the code in your terminal. As you can see, it says okay, it's done without any error. So now moving on to the next command. Now we need to add their repository to our list of repositories. So just copy paste the command in your terminal. After now it's done, the only last step to do is to update the database and install the Signal desktop app. So just copy the last command into your terminal. Now it's installed. You can search it in your desktop, and after launching the application you will get this page with a QR code popping up, and all you need to do is to open your Signal mobile app and go to the linked devices, and that will open your camera and it will scan the QR code on your desktop. Now you can use your Signal app on your Linux device. You can only link up to 5 desktop devices. Let's install it on Windows now. You have to go to the same link. You have to click on download for Windows tab. It will download a setup in your Windows. After downloading it, all you have to do is just wait till it get installed. After installing, it will be popping up with the QR code in your desktop. You have to repeat the steps. Just go to your mobile app, click on linked devices and click on link new device. That will open up your camera. You will have to scan your QR code and you are done. But for some reason, for now, there seems to be some technical difficulties going on for Signal. Messages also seems to be stuck. By the way, I contacted Signal support team when I was not able to use the app. Signal support team is very active. They replied me within 10 minutes. They mentioned that Signal is going through some technical difficulties here. Stay patient. It will be working like a charm. That's how you install Signal desktop apps on your Linux and Windows. And the rest is to just scan your QR code. So that was all about in this video, guys. Hope you like the video. So if you like the video, do subscribe Get-sudo. See you in the next one.